Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's market review. Going into the morning today, I was kind of looking for longs. I was expecting longs almost, just because of how bullish price has been. But I was kind of going into it flat. I wasn't sure yet. I was wanting to see us, if we were going to go long, I was wanting to see us invert this hourly SIBI here, start using the bottom of this daily BISI to take it into today's end dog, or last night's end dog, I guess. So we didn't get that, and pre-market price pretty much was respecting those levels and showing me that we were looking for shorts today. And it was yet another horrible day of price action. At 9, or I guess that would have been 10 o'clock Eastern time. So I like shorts to at least August 11th low, possibly August 6th low. So what I was looking for is, actually let's look at this reaction here. I've seen this at 8 o'clock. We come back up in here and tap it at market open here, and that sends price lower. We also use this small daily imbalance to again send it then lower into August 11th low here. So let's take a look at my lower time frame charts here. Price opens up here, and we have this big, huge, massive opening range gap because Asia session dropped like hundreds of points. Asia highs up here, London highs up here, and we show no interest at open to go take any of that liquidity. So we make this high, kind of just make this big like 100 handle range here, just collecting orders. These markets are super manipulated right now. They're taking people's money. That's what's happening. So we come up in here, take this high, created that market open. We can't even get to the lower quadrant of this opening range gap. That's very bearish. And what we have over here is right in the 8 o'clock macro, we take out these relative equal highs here, and then we have our, actually I meant to have this on here, first presented fair value gap after 8 o'clock, which is the 8 o'clock macro. And then, so we utilize it here. I actually got short here, and then I came up and got stopped out at break even, and I re-entered right here on this wick, and rode it all the way down to this August 11th low like I called out. But this price action is just so not fun to be a part of. It's difficult to trade, and scalps are easier. They're to just trade 1 hour candle, trade 30-minute candle. But this is what we're working with here. Show no interest of the upper quadrant. Close below this first minute fair value gap of the day, not of 9 o'clock hours, of the New York session. This first minute fair value gap, that's why it has this outline here. All the other ones are just of the hour. So we come back up in here, create this wick. Respect the bottom of this opening range gap, and immediately we want to start moving lower. And this NWOG and NDOG here kind of just held price where it was all day. It seems like in this NDOG here as well. So we come back up in here, tap just the consequent encroachment again, and then that sends us down to August 11th low. And then first presented fair value gap after 11 here. Come down, touch this NDOG. That NDOG is this here. Or no, it's this here. Sorry. Between these two daily candles, new day opening gap. That's what that is. So we come down in here. Let's go to a 1 minute on here. 11 o'clock macro starts. Create the first presented fair value gap, and then we invert it here. And that sends price higher up back into, just to tap the bottom of this first presented fair value gap here. So all these red boxes I have outlined are the first fair value gap after the hour. So it's the 11 o'clock hour here, 12 o'clock hour. This is the first presented fair value gap of the New York PM session. Or no, that's what this is, my bad. This is the 1 o'clock hour. This is the New York PM session. So I think it's important to note how we're constantly using those levels created after those macro times or during those macro times. Yeah, this is, I mean, even being correct on a day like today is just, it just wasn't even fun to read this price. It wasn't fun to be a part of this price. So what I'm expecting, in yesterday's video I said if we have big close down here, close below this BISI right here, I'm expecting lower prices at least to here. So I'm looking to see those probably tomorrow. Maybe we'll make a retracement up into this, maybe up into this, but I'm expecting lower prices into tomorrow to come take out this low here. And after that, I need to see a down close. I need to see a body in the lower half of this, and that's gonna give me more conviction that price is going lower. Until then, I'm looking at higher prices. We've been looking at higher prices for months now. But we do get a body closure down here. I am expecting this price level at least to be hit. So we're going to fill in some of these imbalances, hit the yearly open. That's what that is. In the long run, I really can see us coming down in here, taking out this low eventually. So yeah, that's kind of what I have for today. I want you just to notice how we're using these quadrant levels. This wick quadrant level, that's what this is here. Tapping it. Oops. Using the fair value gap that touches it, using the fair value gap at the bottom of this hourly SIBI, using the bottom of this hourly SIBI here, and respecting it. Same thing with this. Close below, come back up, touch the consequent encroachment here, and work lower, tap it one more time, send this into this big huge BISI right here. So yeah, I really would love to see some better price action. This is not enjoyable to trade. It's not enjoyable to engage in these markets right now. I don't think it is really for anybody. Even if you're making a lot of money, it's not that pleasant to trade. So yeah, I think that's really kind of all I got for you today. I am expecting lower prices tomorrow, probably even into Asia session, to come take out this low here. Yeah, after that, we'll see what we're working with. I'm making this Discord free. I've hardly been giving any call outs, but I'm just going to give free analysis and probably drop some call outs as well. So be looking out for that. This Discord is going to be free, so everybody will have access to what I'm saying here. Pre-market, I'm calling these things out. Sometimes hours before they're happening. So if you want to be a part of that, then just join it. It'll be free here soon. But yeah, I think that's all I got for you guys today. Have a good rest of your evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.